Good afternoon, guys. I want to do a quick video on this Spectracide weed stop for lawns. I'm going to show you a before and after I use this. Took me 20-30 minutes to spray my yard. I got about 15,000 square feet. Let me know what y'all think of this product. I kind of messed up. I should have got the one that includes the crabgrass killer. It's a Weed Stop Plus or something like that. But I'm gonna show y'all before and after my lawn, before I treated it and after I treated it. This says it kills 460 plus weeds. Visual results in 3 hours. Here's the breakdown of what's in it. Followed all the directions. I still got a little left after 15,000 square feet. So temperatures. Shows you what's supposed to happen. I have Bermuda grass, so here's what my grass looks like right now before I apply the treatment. Actually, right after I applied it, but you know, it'll take a couple hours, couple days to work. But Bermuda grass, see, I got stuff growing already, weeds. Bermuda's still dormant. It was not a weed and feed. It was just that Weed Stop for lawns. So it's just a weed killer. I got beds, you know, where the weeds are growing in. And right over here is another section. See all these weeds? Weeds everywhere. And it is the beginning of March, to give you an idea. And more weeds, more weeds, more weeds, spotted everywhere. So like I said, I will upload and add to this same video. You won't have to wait. It'll be same video of the results that I get after. I'll probably do it after a week or so, and 7 days. So keep watching this video to see the results of the Spectracide weed killer, Weed Stop for lawns. All right, guys, I'm back. It's about 5 to 6 days later after I applied that Weed Stop for lawn liquid. You can already tell these green ones are turning yellow. So it's just gonna keep working, and I'll put up a before and after picture too. But see this spot over here. See these are turning yellow. They got yellow tints to them, especially compared to the other day. Starting to die off. Like I said, I'll put up before and after pictures. See that yellow tint where they're dying? Here's another spot. It's hard to tell when you're not here in first person, but these are wilting and turning yellow, and this is after I had cut. I applied this after I cut. So you can tell these, look at that. Look at that, just dying. Some of these are starting to turn. It's taking time, but it's definitely working. So let me know what y'all think, and let me know if you want me to do any other kind of videos following my lawn care treatment, and you know what else I'm going to be placing on here. I put pre-emergent down as well. I'll be doing some weed and feed here in a month or so. I'm in Georgia, so it'll be May, probably around May. But let me know if y'all like to see anything else. Let me know how y'all like the Weed Stop for lawns. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, here's what we're looking for in the first pre-treatment. You can see all the really, really bright green colors in these first couple pictures. And then this next picture coming up is a couple days, 5-6 days after, and you can start to see the yellowing, no new bright green growth, and just yellow weeds that are dying. It's going to take some time, but you can see how the colors are changing. This is just after a week. So this stuff's really working. Let me know what y'all think.